Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to take you through the processes I went through while installing this Bitzer compressor, model 14Y. This is the location for the installation. And this is the exact unit where I will be installing this Bitzer compressor. Oil is very important in compressor, since this wasn't a new compressor installation. So I was checking the oil level, and also check the quality and quantity of the oil, to make sure the oil is good for operation. This oil quality was bad. This oil isn't good for running operation. After extracting all the bad oil, we had to pour in new oil into the compressor. Now we've been able to successfully mount the Bitzer compressor into its housing. We have to make sure it's seating properly. At this moment we are doing all the tightening and connections. Please like, follow, share, comment, and subscribe. Still doing the tightening of bolts. Every bolts need to be properly fixed. And connecting of high and low pressure. This is the electrical control panel. This is when I had to flush and clean the suction line filter. We noticed the design of the piping didn't fit the current compressor. So he had to do some reconstruction. Welding and redirecting the pipe to fit this Bitzer compressor. After the welding and redirecting of the pipes, we connected our gauge and added a bit of refrigerant to check for leaks. And thank God there was no leak found. So we started the termination of the compressor while we connected the vacuum pump, and we vacuumed the unit, because it's very important in refrigeration. After vacuum, we added some refrigerant into the unit, and we started the unit. We checked the ampere. The unit is running smoothly. Everything is working perfectly well. And everything looks good. And we have a good return from the suction. Compressor is running smoothly. Thanks for watching.